Hey everyone, welcome to another shave. Today I thought, you know what, I'll do something a little different and do a themed shave. Now what do I mean by that? Well, I'm going to, the next couple of videos, probably do themed on colours. And today, you can sort of see by the title, it's a blue shave. So smooth, creamy this is. So today, like I said, is a blue shave. Look at that. Using my, what do you call it, Blue Phantom aerolite by PAA. So that's the brush, and it's a blue colour. Using Proraso Azur lime, just because it's blue in the package, and it's a lovely, slightly sweet, sort of darker take on a lime. It's actually pretty good. You see how thick and creamy that is, and it took tons of water to get to that stage. And so the razor, you know, like I said in my first video, not going to really change up the razors too much, just now and again, so something different, but for the most part I'll be using the rocker. But today, keeping the blue theme, is PAA Blue Phantom. Really like this one, matching the blue brush, and in there is a brand new Gillette silver blue blade. So I hope you're all doing alright and enjoying your shaves. I'm going to enjoy this one. I haven't used this razor for a while, so you may get a little irritation or something, I don't know, but I haven't used it for a bit. Like I said, I've been concentrating on one, maybe two razors, so I haven't used it for a bit. Not always good. I do recommend, if anybody's watching, to sort of get really proficient with one razor and then go from there. So without further to do, let's get on with the shave. Alright, so dipping in my cold water. I just prefer cold water, I don't know why. I've got about 3 days of growth here. And, you know, although these razors do work on the milder side for me, not particularly smooth, but they're okay. But I wouldn't say they're a gimmick, because they do work, as you can see. They're not quite as good as a traditional metal razor. I was thinking maybe to get the PAA version, the can do like a good metal colour, black. Which is an open cone, like this one. I like to give things a try, but generally I keep on to one razor. So yeah, this is an open cone. And I thought of going sort of different colours, because I've got a few colours of these. I've got a black rocker, numerous things. Something a little different. Oh, one thing I can tell you, this soap, very smooth, very creamy, but very, very potent in its scent. 10 out of 10 for its scent. It really is quite strong. So if you do not like strong scented soaps, past this one. So today is Wednesday, and it is it's snowing outside. It's as white as this lather, but it's only a thinner dusting really of snow. A bit of sunshine, a bit of rain, and it'll go. Yes, like I said, so I've got a green one of these, red one, and a see-through one. So the see-through one, maybe I'll do a completely unscented sort of one to match the sort of see-through razor. Yeah, these aren't the smoothest of razors. But it's okay, it's not rough. And it being a slant and quite rounded, you've really got to get the angle right. It's almost sort of like right on the tip, you know, really quite an angle to get it to go smooth. But good first pass. So quick rinse off. You see any issues? They're so slick. It's unreal. It's like a voice ring. But really good. So let's quickly lather up. Look at this. With a bit more of this for my final pass. Yeah, really slick. Very, very slick. Soap, lovely stuff, and still allowed in there. I did put quite a bit in, as I always do. I'd rather have more than I need and not enough. So let's go on with my second pass. Alright, washing it out, second pass, final pass. Look at this soap, you can still see there's a lot of soap still there. No, this isn't an open comb. It's designed to do that. But this soap is really, this cream is really rather slick. Yeah, so they're not the smoothest of razors, as I said, and I do get not like skin burn or anything like that, but they irritate me just a little bit more than any other sort of razors. And they don't give me the closest to shaves. Afterwards I'll feel around and not quite as good as some others. So I don't use them often, they're a good showpiece. I like to keep them on show, and people like to look at them when they come come round and they're sort of interested in what things are, and I deliberately show them off, but they're certainly sort of able to see them on display, if you will. Yeah, definitely recommend this this soap. Really good, creamy. I think we're done. As you can see, I don't normally get these. This razor tends to pull little bits out. Well, I say I don't use different razors a lot because I'm proficient with one, and when I come to something I haven't used for a while, and I know for a fact that it irritates me a little bit more than my regular razor, that's why I keep with one razor generally. So, quick rinse off. This soap, cream, quite hard to get off the skin. It's not hard, but you know what I mean. Takes a few more washes just to get it off. So I'm going to dry myself off and then go into my post shave. Okay, so you know, it gets closer than you think. That is as close as I regularly get, regularly need. So it's deceiving, you know. You're showing away things and taking a lot off. 2 passes, just as smooth as any other shave. A little bit, as I say, rougher in spots than other razors or my regular one, but very nice. So, post shave. Jean-Paul Gaultier's Le Male. Soothing aftershave balm. So I'm going to stink like Le Male for a bit. So, how much? Should be enough. Oh yeah. You can see it like the official product, so yes, it does smell just like Le Male. Le Male is a favourite sort of 90s fragrance of mine. And that, oh yeah, absolutely lovely. Very nice. So, quickly run through with you what I have used today, just getting rid of the excess off my brush so I can show you. Yeah, so a blue shave. So, like I said, aftershave balm. Jean-Paul Gaultier's Le Male. My Blue Phantom Aerolite PAA. One of my favourites. I like PAA brushes. I really only use PAA brushes now. I think I've got 3 or 4 of them. I really enjoy that. Another PAA is Blue Phantom. Today in with a Gillette silver blue blade in there, brand new. Real good, you know, they are decent. They're a gimmick really, but they work and they do the job. So I don't use them very often, but occasionally for videos like this I do, but they're pretty good. They're not excellent, but they're pretty good. Silver blue blade, and of course the big scent in the room right now is Proraso Azur lime cream. Very, very good. You don't need a lot to get a big bunch of lather. Very creamy, very, very slick. So worth your money if you want to try it. So that is the blue shave. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate it as always. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and a subscribe if you haven't already. That would really help me out. And I'll see you again soon on the next one.